beautiful people, this is me. I'm your host, and today we're gonna be talking about drugstore body lotions. So please subscribe and carry on. The season is changes, and also you want to make sure that your skin looks nice and smooth and hydrated for the upcoming spring and summer. I'm going to start with the lightest texture of the lotion and then move on to the more thicker ones. All of them are drugstore and they shouldn't cost you more than $20. So the first one is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost with hyaluronic acid. This one comes in a pump. There is also a body butter, but I prefer the lotion. Why? Let me just open it. So as you can see, it has a light texture, and the thing which I do enjoy about it, after you take your shower and your skin is still damp, that's when you put it on, because your skin is going to absorb it better and it's going to be nice, smooth and silky. And in this bottle you get 16 ounces, which is 450 grams. So yes, it is worth it. And I think I already went through like 2 bottles of this lotion, and yes, it is really good. There are 2 products which I don't have it with me, but I'm gonna place the picture somewhere up here. First is the Aveeno oat lotion, which is good for any skin type, even sensitive, and because it has oats, it's very gentle. And oats, they've been used for centuries, so you know what, you cannot really go wrong with it. Also, if there is nothing else which you think is going to work for your skin, try the Aveeno. The second one is the Swave body lotion with shea butter and almond, which has similar consistency and comes in a huge bottle. Their texture is very light, so it's going to absorb fast. And even during the summer when there's a lot of humidity, you know what, the bottle is so big that you can easily reapply it, or I should say after you take the shower, reapply it maybe 2-3 times a day, and it's going to be good to go. Then the next item is the EOS Evolution of Smooth. That's the Berry Blossom body lotion. It smells like the actual cherries, and if you like sweet scents, this one is nice. I was recommending this as a dupe, or I should say cheaper alternative for the Bam Bam cream. Yeah, it does smells nice. Now, because it's sweet, I'm like, not everyone like it, but since the bottle is so small, you can usually ease it up. This one is 7 ounce or 200 mils. Then the following one is the Jergens Shea Butter. This product comes in an actual tube as a body butter, but I have a lotion, so that's the Jergens Shea Butter Deep Conditions for more radiant with pure African shea butter. It comes in different sizes. This one is 17 ounce, 500 mils. I know one of them is newer, because I know they keep changing the package, but you can buy this in a small travel size, a little bit bigger, this one, and like a huge one. Now let me show you this one. Even though it has a shea butter, it does absorb kind of fast, and yes, your skin's gonna be nice and hydrated, and you have that after smell of shea butter, but it's not really strong, and yes, your skin is kind of hydrated. Yeah, I went through many of those, and as you can see, I do like it, since I have 2 more waiting for me. Then the next one is the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant with pure cocoa butter. Heals dry skin for a natural glow without feeling greasy. This is the small size, which is 10 ounce, and since it's cocoa, it kind of smells like chocolate. Yeah, it has a faint scent of chocolate, but yeah, it is really nice, and as you can see, it does absorb fast and it's really light. Okay, sorry, it smells really good. Okay, similarly as with the other one, this one comes in many different sizes. Previously I have their bud butter from the same line, and I do like it. Now that's the small size, which is 10 ounce, and here is the big size, 32, which is almost a liter. So yes, another of my favorites. Next item is from Nivea. It depends how you say it, but I'm sure you saw it in many stores. This lotion, it's a smooth daily moisture body lotion, smooth and revitalize with shea butter, noticeable smoother skin, and in here you have different. You wanna focus? Come on. Anyway, there's like a different levels of richness of the lotions, so it's light and rich. So this one is in the middle. If you're familiar with the Nivea scents, this one, it smells similar, but it has a faint light scent of the shea butter. Yeah, no. I know my whole body is gonna be so hydrated. Yeah, it has the typical Nivea smell. So that's the medium one. And then there is another one which comes in a deeper bottle. That's the essentially enriched lotion. This one it's with almond oil. However, this is for like the dry skin, but with the level in the middle. And this one it's for dry to very dry skin, and the texture of the lotion is very rich. So let me just show you. Come on. So yeah, it's the texture, you can see it's different, and yeah, it does smell. It has a typical Nivea scent, but yeah, the texture is different than the light blue. Next item is the Curel for very dry skin and for itchiness. Curel, it's a Japanese brand designed for dry skin. This one comes with lactic acid, and now there are a few other things. Here we go. Dry skin therapy, Hydro Silk Moisturizer, Itch Defense. Moisturize daily, delight in smooth, calm skin. Absorbs, delivering long-lasting, non-greasy moisture. Relieves dry, itchy skin. Here we go. Ceramides, complex vitamin E and oatmeal extract. So similarly as with the Avene, it has oatmeal extract. Let me show you the consistency. It's very light. This is like my third bottle, so that's the new one. That's my empty. And yes, I do like it. When I was using it, I use it constantly every single day. And you know what? When I stop it, I miss it. So I decided to get a new one. And let's see, here we go. So yes, it does kind of absorb fast. It's not greasy. And has a light, fainted orange smell. And I would say because they put lactic acid, which has a specific smell, possible they want to mask it. That's why they add the orange extract. Now, another of my favorites is the Garnier for extra dry skin lotion, which comes in a red bottle. It's not available in the States, but most of the time I try to stack up on it while I'm in Europe or in Britain. This one comes with a clone syrup, and it's like a, okay, it's a lotion. However, it will hydrate your skin really fast, and the longer you use it, the better your skin looks. And even though it's like a, it's gonna provide you a rich hydration, it's not greasy. Here we go, and it absorbs really fast. Here we go. It doesn't really has a smell. Yep. We're gonna move over to the French pharmacy. This is Bioderma Atoderm. You can use it on your body or on your face. It has hyaluronic acid and lipids. And if you can just see it, it's designed for anyone. So pretty much it's safety for the babies and also for the adults. Let me just read it straight. Ultra nourishing cream, normal to dry sensitive skin. Repair, soothes and protects. Is fragrance free. It's a 50 ml, which is 16 ounce. It's a little bit heavier in texture, but it's not really heavy. Let me just do it again. So here we go. And Yeah, put a little bit too much, but once you apply it, you have that nice layer of hydration. Yeah, go. And no, it's fragrance free. You can smell anything. Now, I do like apply this when I feel that my skin needs something extra, and that's the time when I'm gonna go for the bioderma. Yeah. Now, if I want something like daily basis, I can easily go for the Curel or the Jergens. But if I need something heavier, it's this or the Jaya Natural Avocado Oil Regenerative Body Lotion. This is my empty. It's 14 ounce of 400 ml, and this is my replacement. It says it's a lotion, but it has a because it has avocado oil, it's a little bit heavier, or I should say more richer. Here we go, that's the right word. Come on, just show you the texture of it. Come on, here we go. So that's the texture, and yes, you're gonna see a little bit of shine because of the oil, but it does hydrate and leave your skin smooth. It has a light scent, but it's not bad. So yes, you can see kind of the difference. Because of the oil, you have that nice sheen. If your skin needs something extra heavier, then I have two options for you. One is the Gold Bond Ultimate with coconut or cocoa butter, African shea butter, exfoliates, nourishes visibly dry skin. It's 14 ounce, which is close to 400 grams. Now, because of those three ingredients, you can kind of realize yourself that it's going to be heavier. Let me put something on. Come on. Yeah, it has the consistency of it. It's more stable. So if you enjoy like the heavier butters, you're gonna like this one as well. So yes, you have to kind of massage it, but because of the oils, yes, your skin's gonna be hydrated. Here we go. And then if you need something really heavy, it's gonna be the Eucerin Intensive Repair Alpha Hydroxy Natural Moisturizing Factor Enrich repairs, gently exfoliates very dry, flaky, ashy skin. Rich Feel Lotion for very dry, flaky, ashy skin. This is a small size. I also have the big one, but because the texture of it, it's so rich, believe me, you don't need a lot. So let me just show you. I'm not gonna apply it because it's so rich. Here we go. Oh yeah, we just apply it somewhere. Now you cannot really see it, but if you can feel it, then you know what? It is a rich moisturizer. Not moisturizer, lotion. Here we go. But okay, if you can see it, my forearm is shiny because of all the oils inside. But yes, with this one, it takes a little bit longer to absorb because the texture of it, yes, it is way richer than the previous lotions. I put so many lotions on me that now I can just keep smelling different scents. In the next time, or I should say the next video, I'm gonna do Drugstore's body butter, which are good for dry skin. But if there is any kind of a video which you want me to make it, just let me know. And till the next time, bye!